Settings. Your CareStyle 1 iron has 4 settings on the dial. Level 1. Level 1 should be used for dry ironing on synthetic fabrics. Level 2. Level 2 should be used for ironing wool, silk and polyester. To use steam, press the steam button on the underside of the iron handle. Level 3. Level 3 should be used for ironing cotton and linen fabrics. Steam Max, to be used for vertical steam, dense fabrics and thick cotton. To use the steam shot function, press the steam button twice. Vertical steam. Hold the iron in a vertical position, tilted slightly forwards. Press the steam button while moving the iron from top to the bottom.